We are Michigan Home Restoration. With over 10 years of experience in the roofing industry and our competitive pricing, you can count on us to get the job done and done right. At Michigan Home Restoration, we use the industry's finest materials and only install Owens Corning duration shingles and ventilation systems on every job to ensure that your roof will last through time and protect your home and family from nature's unpredictable elements for years to come. We service the Metro Detroit, Tri-County, and surrounding areas, and every full roof replacement comes with a minimum 10-year Owens Corning back warranty, and options for lifetime warranties are available. If your roof looks like this, give us a call at 586-334-ROOF and schedule a free inspection today.